First main thing that you got to focus on is your back. So you don't want to lose your posture, and that doesn't look good, right? So roll your shoulders back and lean back. So you're not going to lie down and sleep here. So lean all the way back, and as you keep leaning back, you will feel like at one point you are going to topple and do like this, roll like this. So you don't want that to happen, right? So roll your shoulders back and slowly lean all the way back, just like this. So keeping your back strong and nice and sturdy. And from here, as you inhale, lift your legs slowly off the mat and keeping your upper body position straight right there, and slowly keep breathing normal breath here. Inhale, lift your legs all the way up. Now if you want to hold your legs like this, you could always support your arms just like this behind your thighs, and if you want to leave the arms and still hold the posture, then slowly release your arms to the sides of your body and hold the posture, not your breath. So remember to breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release and come back. So do this posture at least once a day and try to hold the posture for a longer time. So 5 breaths and then take a break, and when you take the second rep, extend up to 6 to 7 breaths and take it as long as you can hold the posture.
Make sure to start in a tabletop position. Keep your thighs hip width apart. Place your hands on the mat, shoulder width apart. Make sure your wrist, elbow and shoulders are all in a straight line. Now from here, take your legs back one at a time, making sure that your hips are neither too high nor sinking down too low. Keep your hips in line with the spine. Now making sure that your abdomen and your glutes are fully engaged, meaning fully clenched and tight. Hold this posture for a total of 20 counts. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, excellent. 5, 6, keep that core engaged. 7, 8, 9, 10, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, good job, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly bring your knees down, go down into child's pose or Balasana with your hands forward. Keep your forehead down on the mat and relax.
So begin by sitting in Ustrasana, and what you want to do is basically stand onto your knees and widen your legs really nice. So before moving on to the actual posture, you need to warm up your back. So for that, bring your palms facing down, your fingers facing down onto the back of your hip, and slowly inhale first and exhale. Slowly push your hips forward and slowly look up, and again inhale back to center. Couple of times more. Inhale, exhale, push your hips forward, then back, and again inhale back to center. And this time we are going to move on to the actual posture. So inhale, exhale, pushing your hips forward and slowly bringing your arms to your ankles and arch back. To release the posture, inhale and relax in child's pose.
So to perform this asana, lie down on your stomach, hold both your ankles and start to pull your ankles and lift your body up. If you look up, it'll help you go even higher. So the aim is to be on our stomach, our whole chest, everything till the point of ribs should be up in the air.